In this video I am going to explain about how to charge this flying spinner. When you get it or purchase it, you need to charge it first to fly this or to play with this toy. To purchase this, you can click on the link from the description below. It uses a micro USB which comes in the box when you purchase this toy. You need to take this card and then put it into the charging block, and then you're gonna take the spinner, then find the right place. Here you can see a charging port. Now you plug the charge in the charging hole like this, and then it shows the red light sign if it is low. Just leave it charged for around 15 to 20 minutes. Here you can have a rechargeable battery and plug it to the charger again if it is low. Once you are done with this charging thing, just hit the button on and play and fly. You can use different tricks of this flying spinner and enjoy and have fun. In daylight it is fun, but it is just a toy. At night this is where it actually earns the hype. Now I'll show you how it actually see when you turn on. The RGB light is on and it rotates. You can see this very beautifully. To stop it, just we need to press it here and turn off the button. If you have any queries, just comment us in below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our video. Thank you.